Best MMA Gloves. Best MMA Gloves. Unleash your fighting potential with top picks. MMA gloves are essential gear for fighters. They protect hands and enhance performance. But not all gloves are created equal. Choosing the right pair can improve your training experience. Different gloves suit different needs, from sparring to competitions. Consider factors like material, weight, and fit. List number 1. Aliexpress MMA Gloves Sparring. Discover the perfect balance of protection and flexibility with Aliexpress MMA gloves. Made from durable Maya-hide leather, these gloves offer excellent wrist support during intense sessions. Open palm design ensures a comfortable fit and easy grip for grappling. Suitable for men and women, ideal for various martial arts like Muay Thai, kickboxing, and cage fighting. Train confidently, whether hitting the punching bag or sparring. Advantages. High-quality Maya-hide leather ensures durability and long-lasting use. Open palm design provides better grip and flexibility during training. Enhanced wrist support offers protection against injuries and strain. Suitable for various martial arts like Muay Thai and kickboxing. Ideal for both men and women, ensuring universal fit. List number 2. Aliexpress MMA Gloves for Men. Elevate your training with Aliexpress MMA gloves, perfect for kickboxing and Muay Thai. Designed for comfort, these gloves offer a snug fit with open palms for breathability. Ideal for light sparring and heavy bag training, they provide excellent grip and protection. Durable materials ensure long-lasting use, making them a reliable choice. Enhance your martial arts practice with these versatile gloves. Experience the difference in quality and performance. List number 3. Aliexpress MMA Gloves 4. Elevate your training with Aliexpress MMA gloves, perfect for kickboxing and Muay Thai. Designed for comfort, these gloves offer a snug fit with open palms for breathability. Ideal for light sparring and heavy bag training, they provide excellent grip and protection. Durable materials ensure long-lasting use, making them a reliable choice. Enhance your martial arts practice with these versatile gloves. Experience the difference in quality and performance. Advantages. Aliexpress MMA gloves offer excellent protection during training sessions. Secure wrist support prevents injuries and enhances performance. Open palm design provides better grip and ventilation. Hands stay cool and dry. Perfect for intense training. Versatile gloves suit multiple martial arts disciplines. Ideal for kickboxing, Muay Thai, and sparring. Durable materials ensure long-lasting use. High-quality construction withstands heavy bag workouts. Comfortable fit enhances training experience. Adjustable straps for personalized fit. Easy to wear and remove. List number 4. Punch Bag Boxing. Discover the perfect gear for your martial arts training. The Swan's Punch Bag Boxing Gloves ensure a comfortable fit. Designed for durability, these gloves withstand intense sessions. Ideal for karate, MMA, and taekwondo enthusiasts. Enjoy superior grip and control during combat practice. Elevate your skills with these versatile mitts. Advantages. Elevate your training sessions with durable boxing gloves. Swan's Punch Bag Boxing Gloves offer great protection. Perfect for boxing, karate, and MMA workouts. Strength and durability matter. These gloves resist wear and tear. Designed to last through intense training. Keeps hands safe during punches and grappling. Comfort is key. Soft padding reduces hand strain. Enjoy long sessions without discomfort. Fits snugly for better control. Versatility in training is essential. Gloves support various martial arts styles. Suitable for Muay Thai, taekwondo, and more. Adaptable to different techniques. Style adds flair. Sleek black design looks sharp. Matches any gear effortlessly. Elevates your training experience. List number 5. Challenger MMA Gloves. Experience enhanced comfort and protection with the Venom Challenger MMA gloves. Crafted in sleek black, they offer a stylish look. Medium size ensures a snug fit for most users. Durable materials promise long-lasting performance during intense training sessions. Ideal for both beginners and seasoned fighters seeking quality gear. Advantages: experience unmatched comfort with soft, high-quality padding. Perfect for training. Durable material ensures long-lasting use. Ideal for intense MMA sessions. Secure wrist straps offer excellent support. Prevents injuries during sparring. Sleek black design looks professional. Complements any training gear. Lightweight construction allows quick movements. Enhances fighting agility.